to be using the Amor'us palettes. Well, one of the palettes that I grabbed, and I'm going to be using the Nala for today. Once again, this is how the palette looks. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using some Prolonger paint pot from MAC. And this one is the Soft Ochre. So I'm going to get started with this one. And I'm going to be using my Luxie brush. I'm going to start tapping that in here. Practically all over the lid. So this is going to be my transition color here. Okay guys, so when I started doing this eye, I'm telling you guys, I'm impressed with these shadows. They're very pigmented. They blend really nicely. So far this palette, it's really good and I'm really happy with it. So I'm expecting for the other palettes to be as great as this one. So from there I'm gonna be using this burnt orangey one, and this one's called Lioness. So it's this one right here. I'm going to be grabbing the Miss Glam brush, and this one is the angled E51. As you guys could see, look how pigmented these colors are. I'm so in love with this palette. It's so beautiful. You guys need to get your hands on this palette, and it's just $15. And if you guys happen to find a sale, then that's even better for you guys. You guys could check out other the other palettes that they have. Okay, so from that color, I'm gonna go into a darker color, and it's gonna be this one called Truth. And I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild brush. So a little bit, and then just kind of going under that one and just tapping it a little bit. Okay, and I don't want to lose that transition color that I applied. I'm going to be cutting the crease, and I'm going to be using the Moda Pro smudge brush, and it's dirty right now because I just used it for my other eye. Just go back with the Luxie brush and blend those colors in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brush right here, and it has a no name, and I'm gonna be grabbing the color Protection, and it's this beautiful green right here, and it's a shimmer. How beautiful these colors are, and they blend really good. They're super pigmented. And then for the end here, I do want to add some of a Lion Guard again, which is that dark green. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up. So for the lashes, I'm going to be using, they're right here. So these are the Ardell 817 Fox Mink lashes, and I used 2 pairs, so I'm double stacking them. So the blush that I'm going to be using is Feisty, Tart and Feisty, and it's this one right here. I'm applying it on the cheeks. This color is very, very pretty. I'm not gonna do any lipstick. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss, and I'm gonna be using the Staying Up from ColourPop. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some highlight in my inner corner. This is a Miss Metal glitter stick from Italia, and I'm gonna be using this one. So it's like a nice pretty gold, and the number 02 I do. Okay, so it gives it like a little nice pop on the eyes. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And once again, I used the palette Nala from Amor'us. It's such a beautiful palette, guys. I really recommend it. I mean, I had no problem with any of these colors. They all blend really nice. They are very pigmented. They don't have a lot of fallout. You know, it's just like barely anything, but I mean, for $15 it's really good. This palette is amazing, and I cannot wait to try the other two. So yeah, I definitely recommend this palette. If you guys are interested, go ahead and purchase it. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. Other than that, I will see you guys on my next video.